What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back, baby. I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year.
So as you guys can see, today we have a beautiful brown curly bob wig in my head. I haven't done a wig install video in a long time, so I want to show you guys how to do this fall friendly install. This hair color is so beautiful for fall. It's just so low maintenance. The curls are so soft and so pretty. This wig was sent to me by iDefine, and honestly they were such a pleasure to collaborate with. I was super excited to try their unit out, and girl, I just can't wait to show you guys how easy it is to install your wigs by yourself. Girl, you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars for people to put wigs on your head and it lasts like 2-3 days. Let me show you how you do it yourself, how you save some money, and how you look good, okay? Because the wigs are already costing you money, you need to save something. So if you're excited to see how we achieve this simple, easy, beautiful brown curly bob wig, then definitely keep on watching.
Hey baby, it's been a long time since I did a wig install and I'm so excited. So we're gonna see if I still got it. Today's video is in collaboration with iDefine, like I mentioned earlier, and I'm so grateful for them for sending me this gorgeous wig. I love that they sent 2 different wig caps, one if you're darker skin or one if you're lighter skin. I just feel like that was perfect. This is what the unit looks like fresh out the box. This is a light brown curly bob wig, and as you can see, it is a closure wig, so we don't have too much lace. We have our combs, adjustable straps, everything, so that's so perfect. This is what the lace looks like, and we are going to get to work, okay baby, because I see that vision. I'm going ahead and putting my wig cap on. Today I'm not doing a bald cap method because I wanted things to be super simple and super easy. If you're going to be doing your own wig and you want something easy, this is a video for you. We're throwing her on, and I think they kind of already had it in a side part for me. It was looking real flat, but I knew we can bring her to life. Like, this is me looking at it, I'm like, yeah, I can make this work. Let me see what I could do. So grab your hot comb. 450 degrees is a must, okay? We're gonna get into the roots and we're gonna push it back because I did need to pluck the hairline a little bit more just so it can give a little bit more natural. And the part that they gave me was like a straight back part. That's like the traditional partings, but I wanted something a little bit more curved. So as you see, I curved my part out, and now we're going back in with that hot comb, making sure every strand of that closure is nice and flat so it can look like it's coming out of my scalp. So I put a band on my head so the wig doesn't slide around too much, but I'm going to take a little bit of conditioner and water in my diffuser spray bottle, and we're going to bring these curls to life. One thing I like about these curls is they're very loose and they're very soft. It's not like the dramatic curly hair. I think with this hair color, it's more of a wavy texture, like a wavy curly texture, and I really do like that. I wanted to see how much they were going to pop once we defined the curls, and they gave me the perfect amount of pop. I decided to add a little edges. If you guys watch me on TikTok, I do a lot of wig installs there. Baby, I don't wear edges anymore. Like, it's been a minute since I put edges on my head, and I wanted to make sure I still had it, okay? I really do like the no edge look, but I wanted to show you guys a versatile look. Now I'm grabbing my diffuser. As you can see, this is how you really get your curls to pop. You want to diffuse those curls, really scrunch it up, and it's going to show you the organic curl pattern. Like I said, the curl pattern they gave me is very loose and very soft, and I really do like that. We went ahead and angled it to my face, add a little concealer to the part to make it pop, and baby, that's it. I can see so many girls rocking this wig, especially for the fall season. The hair is gorgeous. I love it. She's girl la la, she's tea. She is the moment, okay? I love this hair. I feel like it's so tea, right? Whether or not you're in the market for a light brown curly bob wig, or maybe more of a neutral color, this company offers that. I was literally so excited to just get a wig back on my head because, like I said, it's been a minute, okay? Your girl has been bed rotting really bad, and honestly, I think this is really cute, especially when I did like a full glam. I was really loving it. So I hope you guys love this wig as much as I did. Period, Miss Girl.
Okay, my love, so that's the end of today's video. I showed you guys how I installed this perfect wig for fall. I love this color. It's short, it's super cute, it's nice curly bob. The color is literally my favorite thing about this wig. It was so easy to install, especially because we didn't have too much lace to work with. So if you're somebody like kind of getting their feet wet with installing their own wigs, try to start with like closures, and then you can move on to like full laces. Full laces definitely are a little bit more hands-on, so this is a great start. This wig is is so beginner friendly. It's super easy, and you can also just do it glueless and throw it on. So now that I have my wig sprayed down, it's stuck, but now if I want to take it off, my edges will be stuck, and like I could just slide the wig on and off because it has like the combs and the adjustable straps. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you're interested in getting your hands on this wig for yourself, everything's going to be linked down below in my description box. Go ahead and join the team and just do it like Nike by subscribing to the channel. Okay, comment down below this secret emoji. That is how I know you are gang and you watch my videos all the way through. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.